welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to show the full directory in your title bar. As you can see currently, it just says Computer Sluggish at the top. If you now go down to View, when you're in File Explorer, and then click onto Options, and then click onto View again, you can now click on Display the full path in the title bar and press Apply and press OK, and as you can see it now has the full directory at the top. And that is it. It really is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.